I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the screenshot and making a duplicate layer so you never overwrite the original. Once done, pick an editor with levels, curves, and filters. These tools reveal hidden color ranges. Make sure to zoom to the area with potential hidden text and toggle color channels to see if single channels expose contrast. You'll use brightness/contrast and channel isolation as the first actionable steps to make faint markings more visible. Next, manipulate contrast and inspect channels to extract faded or camouflage text. First, pull levels or curves to expand midtones and shadows. This raises contrast without clipping. Then toggle individual R, G, B channels. Sometimes a single channel holds clearer text. Once you spot forms, apply a gentle high pass or unsharp mask to emphasize edges. Lower radius avoids artifacts. If color hides the text, convert to grayscale after enhancing the best channel, so shapes read more clearly. Finally, isolate and clean the revealed text so you can read or extract it. Convert the enhanced layer to high contrast black and white, or use posterize to separate tonal bands. This makes characters pop. Use local dodge and burn with a soft brush to refine strokes and apply selective sharpening to suspected glyphs. If the text still hides, try different exposures, scan multiple copies, or use an AI image enhancer as a last resort. If artifacts appear, revert to the duplicate layer and try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.